Hey everyone, Del here, welcome back to the channel. So something a wee bit different today. It's not a review or anything like that. As you'll have seen from the thumbnail, it's a wee bit different. My daughter, Pink Prepper, who is now like approaching 18, she's into SFX. If you follow me on Instagram and that, you'll see what she's actually capable of doing. So I just wanted to show you something that she does with SFX, and yeah, and just see how good she is really. So just wanted to show you that, just something a wee bit different, guys. Please, as always, hit the subscribe and click the thumbs up, only if you want to. So let's crack on and just have a little look at how she does what she does, and actually how good she actually is. But as a dad, I would say that. So let's have a wee look. Just gonna make a mess.
No. Like Laura thought that they used black thread for actual medical tape.
Black thread?
Yeah.
But it's different colours for stitches.
Yeah, no, but Laura told Jade off for using blue thread, and Jade was like, no, when I got my stitches,
Yeah, it's different colours.
it was blue. And Laura told her off for it, so I wouldn't exactly say that.
Oh, special effects makeup artists.
Don't call it experts. If I get told off for these being too gory again, I swear to God. I should not want a cardigan to do this stage.
Is this a blood part now?
Yeah, but I'm going to have to do the grazing as well. Remember I have to add the stitches.
It'd actually be good for first aid simulation and that, wasn't it?
I know. Section never goes well.
So see if you put it like it's pulling the skin in tight. So see that little palette knife, see if you put a little line in it, like squish it up so it's like it's pulling it in tight, like you've just started it off.
Like that?
Yeah, like close it in. How many are you putting in, just one or two?
I was going to put like 5. It doesn't need to be perfect.
It does.
That it doesn't.
Put like 3 in. No, don't put it up there because you'd start off closing the wound, like, you know, from a point. Yeah. So that's too far up because that's not closed. No, that's not closed.
I'll just be bad at it then.
No,
you can just have bad stitches.
No. Listen to me. Put it further down.
You can just... Dad, it's fine. You're just going to have bad stitches.
It's
You're just
not
going to have to
fine.
get in big stitches. You are. That's just the way it's going to go. And you can tell... I've never worked with children or veterans, and I'm working with both.
It's because it's incorrect. If you start the stitching off
No
tight,
wonder they let you just teach the first aid class.
it's incorrect.
Dad,
I'm just trying to
Dad,
help
Laura's
you.
not going to know. She thought you used black thread for stitching. She's not going
Well,
to know any
it's
different.
Different colours, to be honest. We use suture strips and super glue these days.
No, you just use it. How can you tell me off when you use super glue?
Everyone uses super glue.
No, not everyone uses super glue.
She's ready to make the blood a bit dark.
I don't have any darker blood. Sorry, I'm not invested in darker blood. If you want to use the AdSense in this video to buy me darker blood, then you do that.
How much more you got to do?
I need to do bracelets.
Graces. What's it simulating like? I've
you
just
were
like in a
roller
machine or
coaster
something.
accident.
Like what?
Like an airplane accident. Don't, it annoys me too.
An aeroplane like?
Aha. I know, this is ridiculous, isn't it? An airplane accident.
So it's like from the glass or something, or from the metal.
Well, that's what I was saying. Like, really, in an airplane accident, yeah, you're going to come out with some grazings and a wee wound. Like, get a grip. Chewy! Just mute it.
Well, your graces are good.
Thanks. I might take the dog out for him.
But if you have a look at the proper scar and then see if you put some of your makeup on it, look, and just say you've done that.
Oh no!
Your graces are good.
Thanks.
Your stitching's not, but your graces are. Good job you're not at medical school.
Good
What?
job.
Look at these stitches are crap.
Good job I'm not
Take them out.
skilly. Good job I've not found an army boyfriend yet.
It's not even funny. Boyfriend's full stop out funny. Pretty good.
Thanks.
You're gonna put some dirt around it or something like where you've grazed it.
Yeah, but I don't really
Like
know what
black?
it's supposed to.
Oh, is it just supposed to be like a wound?
It's so stupid.
Ah, see, that's good. That's really good. That actually, see, that'd be a bit of dirt.
Yeah.
That looks really good. That.
I feel like might be really good. Laura will just tell me off.
Then she'll tell you off for that.
She told me off for using fake pus last time because it wasn't actual fake pus and I'd made it myself.
Mm.
But she told us also not to buy fake pus. Oh, I'm so fine. She's such a bitch. I think so.
You happy with it?
Yeah.
Looks good. The greys one's really good.
Yeah.
It's all really good actually. Is that you done?
Yeah. I need to take photos of it. Once you've got your content.
That was just something a little bit different tonight by SFX, by the old pink prepper. I think she's really good. Although she does need a few pointers on the old stitching. Don't you, Annie? You want to say hello? No.
No.
Hello, pink prepper. How you doing these days?
Well, she goes to the YouTube video.
So that was just something a wee bit different. like you see the SFX that she does. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and click the like, only if you want to. Stay safe everyone out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Del out.